Here is just some of the bananas that I have gotten from the Aldi's dumpsters, and I am getting ready to peel and slice for dehydrating, and also vacuum sealing to put in the freezer. I always cut the ends of the bananas, each end off, and stick it in a bucket along with any very overripe parts, and use that to make banana bread if I haven't used a bunch of bananas to already do a batch of banana bread. When I cut the bananas for dehydrating, I put parchment paper on the sheets so my bananas don't stick to the sheet, because that's a pain in the butt to get them off. And also, I've learned not to cut them thin, but to cut probably a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch thick, just because it helps to also not stick if you are not using parchment paper. That I have learned that as well. I never ever throw away the banana peels. I keep them all and bring them out to my compost pile so it can be composted. So that is never a waste. I am ready to vacuum seal my bananas to freeze them for when I want to make some more banana bread. Now this bag was extra tall and I cut it. I didn't want to waste any part of the bag, so I will show you how to reseal the leftover part in it. But here we are going to vacuum seal the bananas. And with mine, I have a dry or moist vacuum seal. I want to use the moist, but I always test it first with the pulse and make sure that it is sealing or vacuuming. It is now sealing. It is done. And I always like to seal everything twice. So I just press my seal only, and it will seal the top again. You can see it's double sealed. I'll do it with the big bag. pulse to make sure that it's vacuuming. It is, and then moist. All the air is out, and it's sealing. And a double seal. And done. Whenever you have extra parts of the bag that you cut off, I always seal one end, and I am able to use it if it's a decent size. So I stick it in my vacuum sealer. See, and just press seal only, and I double seal it. And I don't double seal in the same spot, but rather two different spots. We're very close to each other. So that end is sealed, and now I have another bag that I can use.